let's write a code for this pattern from scratch. Okay, so I will open the Jupyter notebook. So I will use a for loop for above pattern. Let's try. So I guess this is like 3 peak mountain. So I will try to make first mountain for I in range. So we want, I guess, 1 2 3 3 patterns are there, 3 stars are there. So let's print 3 stars with there are space. So I will print figure about the spaces into I. So it will start from 0. So first I want 0 spaces, then it will increase, then I want to print star. So after 0 spaces I will print star. So let's print this. So it is taking, okay, these are taking 3 star. So for next, for j in range 3, so print. So now I need to make a lower part of this mountain. So I will print space first. So space I want to start with maximum number, that is 3. So what I will do, 3 minus j. So 3 minus j comma star. So let's print this. Into, I forgot into. So now this above pattern is done. So now what we can do, we want to repeat it for 3 times. So we can just add a for loop for this. For k in range, I want to repeat it for 3 times. There were 3 mountains showed. So like this, and I will just indent and forward. So let's see. Okay, we got this. So I guess there is 4 star here, so we can take it as 2 here. Okay, so it is like similar to this, but now there is 1 star missing. So for this I guess we can't do anything. So just we can do there is spaces, I guess, in starting. Yeah, there is space, so we can print 1 space and star. So we got it similarly. So these two things are constant. So what we can do, we can take number of stars. So I will take number of stars as n, and we can write it as 2, and how many repetitions, it is 3 time repeating. So I will take reps as 3. So here I will write rep, and here I will note as number of stars. So here also it will be number of stars. So now it will give the same pattern. If I want to increase the reps, it will add the peak mountain. If I want to increase the number of stars, then I can write as like this. Okay, cool.